Woo! One more jump, it's a little scary one, but smooth. Get on the brakes, keep the tires rolling. Ah! Hey, it's Brett here, MTBMOR, and today we're at San Clemente. We're at a trail called Hammer Time. Hammer Time's really cool, bunch of jumps, it's been worked on, it's getting really fun. There's a lot of ways to session it. So one way is just to do the top or the jumps. And the cool thing is, you can see the jumps from the main way. So hopefully we'll get someone who comes down and hits them. We have this road gap, or this road that you gotta pass. And then we have some gaps down below. So let's see if we can find someone. MTBMOR. All right, here we go. Hopefully we can get enough speed for this. Yep, a little crooked. Woo! Oh, I feel the wind. Hear the camera rattle. Wood is so smooth. Woo! There we go, here comes the road, watch out. Woo! Little berm, small little roller, here comes the gaps. They're not that big, nice little pop there. Woo! Nice and smooth. And here's the cool thing, now we can go back and lap it. Hammer time! Here we are, we're looking up at the trail, the middle section with 3 gap jumps. First 2 are about 10 to 12 foot, so about the size of intervention. And then this last one here is about 8 feet and has a huge crash pad. So you can go long on these pretty safely. So just send it with some speed and you'll be good. If you can hit intervention, you can hit these. They just are different because you don't watch them so often. But it's cool, that first one up there you can see from the trail. One of the nice little features about Hammer Time is at the top you're on the road, so you have plenty of space to get in the right gear, check your shock, get as much speed as you want, look over the trail a little bit, see who's coming up. And here we are. All right, here we go. Hammer Time. This first jump threw me for a loop a while ago, so I'm not the most comfortable on it right now. Woo! Easy that time. Here we go, the wood's smooth. Here's a little jump. Gotta watch the road, got it. Here's an area flat. Little berm, pump. Here's the gaps. Woo! Barely pedal in between. And now we're on the raw trail. Trail's getting better and better as it gets packed in. A couple spots I tend to go off, not on purpose, but you hang on for as much as you can. Nice little berm here. Little off camber section there. I think that's one of the spots I go off a lot. Try not to. A lot of hard work goes in this trail. Here we go. You can see a little spot went off there. Woohoo! Here comes the wood. First wood. Not even pedaling, just cruising. Second wood. Oh, got a little loosey-goosey. Here we can go right and go up, go hard left. Or we're gonna take medium left right here. There's some jumps this way, super fun. Woo. One more jump, it's a little scary one, but smooth. Get on the brakes, keep the tires rolling. Woo-hoo-hoo. That was a lot closer than I intended. And now we're at the bottom. Now it's just cruise control. We'll take this over to Holeshot. Nice little pedal. And that was hammer time. I'm right here at those extra little bonus jumps in Holeshot. You can see them right behind me. They're both in about the 8 to 10 foot range. If you hit the first one in like 5th or 6th gear, you're good. Might brake check for the second one, but you can land flat and you'll be all okay. Here are some bonus little jumps on Holeshot that you can hit on the way down the trail. Probably want to be 4th, 5th, 6th gear, somewhere there, because the first one takes a little bit of speed. Second one, not so much. So make the first one and you'll be good for the second. Here we go. Whee! Golden.
If you like this video, hit like, leave me comments, subscribe. And if you see me on the trail, yell, more! And Hammer Time's such a cool trail. It's new, it's getting worked on, still a few changes to be had, lots of options, easy to see, lots of people can watch you. You can session the top, you can session the middle. But if you go to the bottom, remember you'll have to come back up Holeshot, but I did share those 2 bonus jumps with you. Remember, it's all about riding and having fun.
Mountain bike more. Ride more. Subscribe. Laugh more.
Like. Crash more. Comment.
Crash more. Comment.